Pros and cons of quartz kitchen sinks. Dear friend, quartz kitchen sinks are made from premium quality materials that combine natural quartz and resins. They are elegant, durable, and versatile materials that perfectly suit your kitchen aesthetics. Pros of quartz kitchen sinks. Durability. The combination of natural quartz and resins creates a strong, non-porous surface that can withstand wear, scratches, stains, and even heat. Low maintenance. The non-porous surface of this material makes it a low-maintenance option. Moreover, it prevents dirt and bacteria buildup, making it easier to clean and maintain. Aesthetics. Quartz kitchen sinks are available in a wide range of aesthetically pleasing options that enhance the kitchen ambience. Regardless of the kitchen's interior, these materials easily complement and enhance the aesthetics. Cons of quartz kitchen sinks. Price. Due to their premium quality and durability, quartz kitchen sinks are quite expensive. As a result, these materials are not ideal for those who seek cost-effective options for their kitchen. Installation. Quartz kitchen sinks have a more complex configuration and installation process that requires professional expertise. Discoloration. Continuous exposure to kitchen chemicals and heat can lead to fading and discoloration of the sink. This can be a potential problem in kitchens with bright interiors. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.